She's Ewha University student, and they wanna see you. And we have only 10 minutes, so after 10 minutes, we have to go.
Okay, I will be
okay?
fast. Yes, I will talk really, really fast. I will talk English really, really fast. Okay, only 10 minutes. Edward, some feedback for you. You said 2 or 3 times, you said, I like. But do you remember this phrase from last lesson or 2 lessons ago? I am a fan.
I'm a fan of yes. I'm a fan of fast food. Yes.
Very good.
Thank you.
I'm a fan of fast food. Could somebody tell me where the adjectives are here to describe the cheese?
Creamy.
Creamy. Creamy. Creamy. Nice. So that's an adjective to describe the burrata. There we go. We call this one over here the cheese grater because, surprise, surprise, it looks like a cheese grater. Does anybody know this building? This one here? In front of us. Near.
What's this?
This is the Tower of London, where for many generations kings and queens lived here, and if you were very bad in the past, they would cut off your head and show your head outside of this castle, of this tower. So that's what they did there. Yes, so that's what they did to bad, naughty students. So do your homework and everything will be okay. So yeah, this is the London Eye, and when you're up here, you can see all of the city of London. Look at that. And behind the London Eye, in that direction, that big building, what's that called? That big building behind it, do you know? This one. This one.
Looks like Lotte Tower. Lotte Tower.
Yeah.
Looks like Lotte Tower in Seoul.
Yeah, it does. You're right. I've seen photos of that.
It's too high. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh
So
my
this. Okay, say kimchi.
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 Smile.
My.
That's good.
Okay.